What's the meaning of assisted suicide? Assisted suicide. Assisted suicide.
Assisted suicide. Assisted suicide. Assisted suicide refers to the act of intentionally helping another person end their own life, typically due to a terminal illness or an unbearable level of suffering. The act can involve providing the necessary means for the person to carry out the suicide or performing the act of ending the person's life directly. The result of assisted suicide is the intentional and deliberate ending of a person's life with the assistance of another party. It is a highly controversial and debated topic with legal and ethical implications in many countries around the world.